Stop being naive. Stop being a ridiculous Pollyanna.
Pollyanna. Pollyanna. Pollyanna is a pejorative term applied to a person who is excessively and unreasonably optimistic or cheerful. It's someone who always thinks good things will happen or sees the good in everything even when it doesn't exist. Someone who is a Pollyanna is overly positive and perhaps naive.
Just when you were about to write her off as a Park Avenue Pollyanna, she'd say something so right on you'd think she was the Dalai Lama.
Pollyanna can also be used as an adjective either in its standard form or in the form of Pollyannish. Since the term Pollyanna is based on a proper name, it is often capitalized when written, but not always. Here are some sentences using Pollyanna. I don't mean to be a Pollyanna, but I do think that if we get through this, things will be even better in the long run. If you move to the city, don't be a Pollyanna. You can't just walk around unaware. It's dangerous and you have to be vigilant. Here's the etymology of the word Pollyanna. The term Pollyanna comes from the title character in the 1913 novel by Eleanor Porter, Pollyanna, a children's book. In the story, Pollyanna is an orphan girl with unstoppable optimism who is sent to live with her Aunt Polly. Her aunt is cold and stern, and so is the town of Beldingsville she now finds herself in. Pollyanna changes this by spreading her infectious cheer through the town. Her main means of achieving this is through a game called Glad Game, her central philosophy. The game involves finding something to be glad about in any situation, no matter how difficult. This optimistic approach transforms the town and makes it a pleasant place to live. Pollyanna herself is involved in an accident and loses the loss of her legs, but is able to be happy again with the help of a doctor.